Hello guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change birth date on TikTok. So go for your TikTok account and go for your profile icon over here. After that you have to go this three line option here. Go for settings and privacy. After that scroll down, click on report a problem. Because there is no option for directly change your birth date. So again scroll down. Oh, not so okay, you have to just click on account and profile here. Go for profile page, scroll down, tap on other. Now scroll down a little bit and you can see need more help, so tap on it, and all you need to do is now you have to write here that you used a wrong birth date when you are uh, creating this account. After that you have to add here a picture of your identity card for the confirmation. Now after that you have to just submit it. This is how you can change your birth date on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.